How to delete your search history in Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete your search history on Pinterest app. First thing you want to do is launch the app, and here you will have to go to your account section first. Make sure to log in. As you can see, I've already logged into my account, and here you want to tap settings. So here you want to tap on your settings and go to privacy and data. Now from here you can scroll all the way to the bottom and you see an option to clear app cache. It will clear all of your junk files and cache files. So once you do that, you can go to your search bar right here, and here you can see all of your search history. So in order to clear this, you can just click on this cross icon right here. So you can do this one by one, and it will automatically clear your history on Pinterest. So just tap on the cross like so, and as you can see, my history is now cleared. That's how you can easily delete your search history on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.